Alright, quick check. If you overthink decisions, replay choices at night, and still wonder, did I mess that up? You're my people. I'm talking to you directly. Today on ByteSized Future, these are AI tools that help you decide without spiraling into regret. No guru nonsense, just clarity. Let's start with ChatGPT. This is the one most of you already use, but probably wrong. ChatGPT can break decisions into clean pros and cons, simulate different outcomes, challenge your assumptions, and help you articulate what you actually want instead of what you think you should want. What it cannot do is read your mind or magically predict your future. It reflects your inputs. There's a free version that works fine, plus paid plans for deeper reasoning. Reviews are mostly positive. People say it stops mental loops fast, but critics warn it can sound confident even when it's off. So don't outsource your spine. Now enter Rationale. This one is pure logic. Rationale can generate structured pros and cons, SWOT analyses, and cost-benefit breakdowns in seconds. It cannot handle emotional nuance well. It's a thinking tool, not a feelings tool. There's a free version with limits and paid plans. Reviews love how fast it forces clarity, but some say it feels cold for personal decisions. If your brain is already quieter than when this started, pause and save this. You'll need it the next time indecision hits. Now, let's talk heavier tools. Data Robot is for outcome prediction using real data. It can forecast scenarios, risks, and probabilities, which is powerful if your decisions involve money or strategy. It cannot help with everyday life choices unless you have data to feed it. No free plan. This is paid and serious. Reviews praise accuracy, but many say it's overkill unless you live in spreadsheets. Right next to it is Teleus. Teleus can turn complex data into insights you can actually act on, helping reduce what-if regret. It cannot function without data. It's useless for vibes-only decisions. Mostly paid. Reviews like its speed and clarity. Downsides include setup complexity. Then there's Genie Machine, which focuses on predictive outcomes. It can estimate likelihoods and risks, so you stop guessing blindly. It cannot tell you which choice will make you happiest. Numbers only. Paid tool. Reviews say it's powerful, but intimidating for non-technical users. If you've ever said, "I wish I knew how this would end," hit like. That sentence alone tells me you're exactly who this video is for. Now we move into structured clarity tools. 1,000 Minds can force clarity by ranking what matters most to you when everything feels equally important. It cannot make emotional calls for you. It exposes your priorities. There's a free tier and paid options. Reviews love the logic. Critics say it feels academic. Next is AnswerRocket, which can answer plain English questions using data so decisions feel grounded, not guessed. It cannot help without data. Paid platform. Reviews praise speed. Complaints focus on pricing. Then we've got Domo, which can visualize outcomes and trends so you see decisions instead of overthinking them. It cannot simplify decisions without inputs. Paid tool. Reviews love visuals, hate the learning curve. If you're realizing your regret comes from uncertainty, not stupidity, subscribe. That's literally what ByteSized Future is built around. Finally, Notion AI, the quiet killer. Notion AI can help you organize thoughts, journal decisions, compare options, and build frameworks you reuse instead of starting from zero every time. It cannot predict outcomes. It structures thinking. There's a free tier. AI features are paid. Reviews love flexibility. Critics say discipline matters. Here's the truth. Regret isn't about bad decisions. It's about unclear thinking. Use tools that slow the chaos. This is ByteSized Future. Decide cleaner. Move forward. Don't look back.